Here's some 90s luxury at Unique, especially in classics. Well-maintained 1993 Mercedes-Benz 600 SEL sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 181,850 on it right now. Well-known history on this car. It's actually basically a two-owner car. The same family had it up till 2005. The current owner bought it with about 60,000 miles on it. He's a successful businessman, actually was in the automobile repair business, owned his own shops, drove this for his daily driver. I'm gonna go down a little bit of the list of the additional maintenance that was done besides obviously the regular maintenance, but let's talk about the car a little bit first. V12 6-liter underneath the hood, actually 389 horse, 420 pound-feet of torque. Of course, automatic transmission with overdrive, all your luxury things, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front grille, headlights, bumper on it. Now, it's got miles on it. You're gonna have an imperfection here or there, but as you can see, it's touched up. Paint still has a nice shine to it. This car was not driven in the winter. He parked it in the winters, had other vehicles to drive between that and going south. Now, still pictures. When I said it wasn't driven in the winters, I want you to look at the underside of this car. Also look at the engine bay, interior trunk. You can see the car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see those still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Mercedes wheels, and look at the condition of those first off. Tell those haven't been out in a bunch of winters. Firestone radials, all seasons. Those are in good shape. Again, you may have a scuff or a touch-up here or there, but overall, paint showing well. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car was over $129,000 new. That was in 1993, and think that was before sales tax, license, all of that. Interior, gray, leather, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up in just a bit. Sunroof, that is in working order. There is also a power shade on the rear window. That is in working order. I'll get into just a couple things as far as in-op on this in a bit. First, I want to continue looking at the passenger side. Of course, the V12 badging on it, that's 6-liter. You can see it's not full of dings, dents. Just like I said, maybe a scuff or a touch-up here. And once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. I'll also make a copy of the repair sheet above and beyond the maintenance that was done on this car, and I have that on our website too. I will hit a few of them, and it's kind of going from the more recent to a little longer ago, but again, this is all done while the second owner had this car. Power steering pump was removed and replaced, and this is all original Mercedes replacement parts that were used when these things were done. Air conditioner was recharged, control arm removed and replaced, electronic accelerator, actuator, throttle body remove and replace, both mass airflow sensors, main engine computer, left throttle body, steering dampener, right front window regulator, both radiator hoses, 4 new tires, approximately 4,000 miles, been a little bit more than that again now, rear brake pads, rotors and sensors. And that does coincide with what we found in the shop when we ran this through. Our technician, a couple things he noted, it will need front brake pads sooner or later. They're down to about 20-30%. Rears are at 80%. Minimum powertrain seats, said it dries out great. Right rear window regulator, water pump, AC blower motor, battery, stabilizer links, stabilizer bushings, front wheel bearings, heater control head, oil cooler hose, air injection reactor pump, alternator, coolant circulator pump, HVAC control unit, main battery wiring harness, thermostat, distributor cap, belts, and I'm not even all the way down the list. But this owner had this car for 20 years, and like I said, he maintained it. If you want to see that list, I will have it in with the still pictures, and I'll have it on our website so you can see everything that's been done with it. Let's take a look down this driver's side again. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. It's not full of dings, dents, just a couple scuffs down below. But again, it's a 1993, so we're looking at 32 years old now. Well maintained, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. If you like these Mercedes or you like the imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And again, look at the condition of those wheels. You know what those start to look like after they've been out too many winters. Get a lot of corrosion and salt. All right, I just wanted to open up this back door to show you what these seating surfaces, the condition of them. Look how beautiful it is back here. But again, this was his daily driver, basically his work vehicle back and forth to work. So I doubt there was a whole lot of people sitting in this rear seat. Listen how that door closes. All right, in the front seats, of course, power seats on both sides. All your modern amenities you're going to get with a Mercedes 600 series. Little bit of wear showing in both those front seats, just in that middle seam. That's really about it, considering year and miles. Very nice condition. I think we better fire it up. And we'll take a peek underneath the hood. Let's hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive at the very end of the video, so stick around. All right. Now, one thing you want to mention, he left this for the next owner. It's their choice. There is an amp that is out. The stereo's in op. So what he decided to do is leave it the way it was. If you want to put in an aftermarket, or if you want to replace and repair the original one, that is up to the next owner. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Whoops, sorry about the focus. And you can see the gauges are working. 181, 850, current miles. Top of the dash, stored indoors. So that door closed. All right, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Obviously very quiet automobile for V12, and again a 6-liter with 389 horse. That is running smooth. I'm going to pause this a second. Well, I'll tell you what, I could probably get this open one-handed. So give it a shot. All right, hood struts work great. Look how clean the underside of that hood is. And engine bay. There it is. Big boy. You can also hear how smooth that is running. Which, the way this thing was maintained, does not surprise me at all. Remember, AC blows cold. Any questions, please feel free to call. And like I said, I'll have the repairs that were done listed in with the still pictures. Get it in there in a document. And think, you can own this for a fraction of the cost of what it would have cost new. Over 129K new. 1993 Mercedes-Benz 600 SEL. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 2-owner vehicle, same family up till 2005. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out those undersides. No winners. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So First off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc. And also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1993 Mercedes-Benz. I have a glass sunroof over my head with a sliding door. The AC is blowing cold in this car. It's an automatic right here on the center console. Our turn signal indicator is working. Nice quiet ride, very luxurious car, as you would expect from Mercedes. Fuel gauge showing a half of a tank. Temperature looks like 90 degrees Celsius. Oil pressure about 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Tachometer working, speedometer also working. We have a clock over to the right of that. Most noticeably, the quiet ride. Leather seats. Bucket seats in the front, bench in the rear. Very comfortable. I see buttons for heated seats. However, it is summer and I'm not going to use those heated seats today. Brakes nice and smooth. Brakes are working as they should. Very easy to drive, easy to steer. Car stays flat in the corners. Performance oriented and luxurious. Power multi-position adjustable seat. Lots of things designed for your comfort in this car. Ready for a nice long road trip. Take a look at the pictures of this 1993 Mercedes-Benz at uniqueclassiccars.com.